So let me tell you about these suggestions. So Power BI has automatically detected few of the suggestions here. So there are few suggestion questions like these are like a client or a customer who is frequently asking these questions. So they have some suggestions here like total units sold. If I click on this, you get a total unit sold. So if you just see the suggestions, it is like average sale. What is my average sale? This is your average sale. But the user want to have the suggestion here like what is my total sale, what is my total profit. So every time the user is typing here, so we don't want them to type. I want some that suggestions to be shown here. Okay, you can do that. Go to settings. So we have seen the field synonym here. You have suggestion question. So let me type the suggestion question like total sales. Okay, let me add this. So this is the correct question and this is total sales. I want the total profit also. Actually profit was not there, so let me click on this. So total profit. Okay, so let me save this. So once I save this and close this, you can see like what you are getting on this Q&A. So you can see you are getting these suggestions by default. You can see total profit, total sales. So if I click on total profit, you will be getting your total profit. If I click on total sales, you will be getting your total sales. If you are saying that hey, I want some more, so you can just go to settings and you can add few more questions like what is my average sales. Okay, so yeah, this is my average sale. You can add it. Okay, so I want sales by segment. Okay, can I do that? Yeah, you are getting something a visual sales by segment. I'll just add it here. So if I say that I want to know what is profit by product. Okay, profit by, it is showing segment, but I want profit by product. If I say what is my profit with the product, I have added it. Let me save this and let me close this now. Yeah, you get all your suggestions here. Now let me click on any of the suggestion questions like profit by product. You get your visual ready. You can just click on this and you can keep this as a visual. Beautiful. So this is some of the advanced options in your Q&A AI visuals in Power BI. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. So if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep learning.